Hey lovelies, today we are going to talk about how are you taking care of your hands. Let me see if my nails are nice to show. Yeah, I'm having problems with dry hands, especially in the cold weather, and my nails were not so nice. And I tried many creams, hand creams, and there are quite a few. I tried quite a few creams, but there's some of these that I like the most, and one of them is ta-da, the Chanel hand cream, and I'll tell you why. There are three creams that I like the best. One was the Biotherm cream, and the second one was Dolce & Gabbana, which smells beautifully and like it's like a perfume. It's amazing. And that one. But which one's my favorite? That one. Why? If you're like me, you understand what I'm saying. I don't like to put the cream. These three ones that I told you were the ones that you put in them, you apply it, and you don't feel your hands very sticky. Sometimes it's just annoying, and it's thick and on your skin, and it's not nice. You don't like it. And the three ones I told you, they are very nice, but this one, there's something special about the Channel one because the skin absorbs it. So, and you need just a little bit. Something like that, right? And you just apply it. And it doesn't even feel like you put a cream. It's so, I don't know how to explain. So there you go. It smells like, I don't know how that smell. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it smells like freshness and as if you just, it's a very delicate smell and as if you just finished shower now. To be honest, I'm not that huge fan of that smell, even though it's nice, but the hands just get super hydrated in a way that you won't believe. And no, I'm not trying to, I'm not making the merchandise to Chanel, no, but it's just what I bought it, by the way, was expensive, but it just put a little bit, and the skin will just absorb it, and you have this nice feeling in your hand. So that's the review, and the next one, maybe I can talk about the other creams that I liked as well. But what else I can talk about this one? The texture is very light. The smell, it's very it's fresh and it's like, it feels like as if you just finished the shower or something like this. It's not strong. I'm not a huge fan of the smell, to be honest. That smell, even though it's not bad, it's nice. It's nice. It's not like the Dolce & Gabbana one that's amazing. But yeah, but definitely the quality of this cream is just very worthy. The price that I remember was, I think it was 58 euros or something. Yeah. So, and I'm using it very wisely, not all the time. I have one that I can put at home, and this one I just bring out with me because it's also very compact. You can bring in your bag, right? And it's very handy. The hand cream is very handy. And yeah, that's the review for today. And next we're gonna be, remember to subscribe and remember to see the other videos. We have lots of videos, not lots yet, but some. There will be lots of videos, definitely. And thank you for watching, sharing, give a like and subscribe to the channel.